Hello, and welcome back to Thesaurus Thrive. I'm host Name, and today we're diving into the delightful word garnish. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast or a lover of language, this word has something interesting for everyone. First off, what does garnish mean? In English, garnish primarily refers to decorating or embellishing food, usually with an item that adds flavor or visual appeal. But it doesn't stop there. Garnish can also mean adding decorative elements to anything to enhance its appearance. According to various dictionaries, garnish can be defined as to decorate or embellish, especially food. It's often used in the culinary world to describe the final touches that make a dish look as good as it tastes. Now, let's explore some synonyms for garnish. Terms like adorn, embellish, decorate, trim, and ornament all share similar meanings. Each synonym offers a slightly different nuance, making your language more vivid and precise. For example, you might adorn a cake with icing, embellish a room with flowers, or decorate a dish with fresh herbs. These words can be used interchangeably in many contexts, but each brings its unique flavor to the sentence. That's it for today's word exploration. Thanks for joining us on Thesaurus Thrive. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more linguistic insights. Keep thriving with words, and I'll see you in the next video.